Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my LABUBU DIY. It's so cute. Sony milk, green grape, pink, blue, brown, and light brown. And here's the secret, but this paper is covered it. Okay, we got my scissors, and we're going to cut it. Oh my god, it's not getting cut. I don't know, I don't want to open it, but it's so cute because it's so cute. Open, please. Oh my god. Open, bro. Oh my god. I look, it's almost opening. Open. Open, bro. Open. Why is it not opening, bro? الواحد أسهل بكتير. Right now is easier from this side. I don't want to cut it. The paper looks so good. Open. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, yes. Let's see what we got. I put 2 in this box. First we have green grape. And second one we have the blue one. I forgot to color the face.
المفروض اللابوبو يبقى فيها واحد.
Okay, it's the box. It said good luck. But they're cute. And maybe I'm gonna reuse
أنا
them.
اسمه 20 فيديو.
Okay guys, that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!